Hello my friends, my name is Evelyn Joy and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my beautiful growing garden. Oh my goodness, it's so exciting. All right, so today is July 23rd. It is currently 75 degrees outside because it is 7:51 a.m. I just finished teaching one online class and my family is all sleeping for now. So I recently harvested over 100 carrots. I cleared out all of the carrots from two of my beds. These beds also have beans and they have marigolds in there. And I recently discovered that I love turnips and I love growing turnips. So I'm going to be planting turnip seeds. I ordered these from Baker's Creek. That's rareseeds.com. I ordered some that are purple, some that are white, and I found out they originate from Japan. All right, I'm going to plant those and I'm going to check some of my turnips and see if they're ready to harvest. And I'm going to do some harvesting and we're going to take a tour of the garden to see what's going on in the garden. Come with me. Okay, so as you can see, I harvested all of my carrots. I've got some green bean plants that are falling over. I need to lift them up and fill this area in with some turnips. I'm thinking I'm gonna do like one side white, one side purple. And over here are my turnips that are growing that I believe I'm gonna harvest some of them today. We'll see. So over here is where I harvested hundreds of carrots in here. So perfect time to put some more seeds in here. The reason I chose to harvest is because number one, they were ready. Number two, I noticed that these marigolds are taking up more and more space and I didn't want the carrots to die because of lack of sunshine. So I just harvested them. So here in the middle is where I'm going to be planting my seeds. Here I have some turnip seeds and I'm going to scatter them over here. That's all you need to do and then you'll have turnips. Over here I'm planting purple turnip seeds. I'm seeing something very concerning. It is part of my cantaloupe plant that is wilting, so I need to check if there's a bug problem over here. Look at what's happening. Not cool. Not cool at all. No. What's going on here? Okay, first I lifted it up from drooping. Maybe it's not getting enough sunlight, but something's going on here. I need to make sure at the base that there's not squash bugs. Oh man, guys. I don't like seeing this happen. Now, at the same time, I'm seeing some cantaloupe starting to grow. Oh, awesome. I have a cantaloupe growing right there. So I definitely want to, I have another cantaloupe growing. I definitely want to protect this plant. So I need to find out what's going on. Okay, so I added a cinder block here for my cantaloupe. And I added another one here for my cantaloupe. And hopefully that helps it. I'm noticing here by the base a lot of leaves dying. And I'm really hoping that I don't have a squash bug problem over here. Because this is my Kajari melon. So many green beans? Yeah. And Esther is harvesting tomatoes. Great job, Esther. Awesome. Okay. So I just planted seeds here. Yeah, let's check on our sunflowers. You want to come with me, Deborah? Yeah. Okay. This is our watermelon. Yeah. Look at these sunflowers. So this is a sunflower that a bumblebee is enjoying.
Really?
Yeah. Actually, that's a honeybee.
Honeybee?
Yep. This is one that's going to seed. So you can see the little seeds starting to form. So cool. It's okay, just put it in the bowl. Green tomatoes can turn red. Yeah, it still can. Here, I've got some dying leaves that you can just pull off. We're gonna have a sunflower here later. Oh, cool, we've got another sunflower opening up right up here. Wow, that's so tall. Okay. Deborah, you wanna pick blueberries? All right. These are my cucumber plants. I'm gonna bury the roots better and remove the lower leaf.
So funny, Mommy.
Sunny. Excuse me, love. Doing well over here. We're gonna check on our squash plants. There's ants in there, but we'll leave them be. See how our base is looking fine. Awesome. We have a yellowneck squash growing.
Oh, I'm gonna help Esther.
You're gonna get some blueberries? Blueberry plants are doing fine. This one is not perfect. It's got some parts that are kind of dying, but the rest of it looks fine. I've got some cilantro going to seed. And some carrots over here. That's my blueberry plant that died Saturday. All right, very cool. Still working on cutting some of this grass. I've got lots of yellow cherry tomatoes ready to be harvested. Deborah, there's lots of yellow cherry tomatoes. You found a yellow ladybug? Show me. You lost it.
It fell. It was yellow and it had lots of black spots on it.
Oh, that's called a cucumber beetle. It's actually bad for the plants, unfortunately. But real ladybugs are good for the plants. Okay, I'm gonna look at some turnips and work on pulling some up that are ready to be pulled.
Got my balloon.
1 million tomatoes. Okay, I'm gonna get one of these baskets for me. Deborah's harvesting tomatoes, Esther's harvesting tomatoes, and I'm going to get some turnips. Wow. Ooh, cool. There we go. Now we can see it.
Okay.
Hi, spider. I'm gonna leave that spider there and we're not gonna mess with it. Good job, girls. Thank you. Wow, amazing. Great job. I'm pulling some turnips. Getting some turnips. You're doing a good job. Thank you, Deborah. Thank you, Esther. Getting some turnips. Show me your bowl. How much you got? It fell off and it'll turn red. It's okay.
When I was trying to pick a red tomato that was right here, it was too hard to reach and the green one was next to it. So when it got off, the green one got off with.
Yeah.
That's the one that there was holding. That's the one that it came off with.
I've got some that are ready right here. Hi, Esther.
Hi, Mommy.
I see you. Here, I've got my turnips. I've got a bunch of them. Leaving a few to grow because they are not big yet. Here are my turnips that I harvested. Now I'm going to pull up some grass over here. Whoa, you got a lot. Good job, guys.
Mommy, careful.
Good morning, Joshua. You got some tomatoes?
Yeah. Well,
Oh, thanks.
Get anything.
That's okay. He's holding the bowl and showing it to me. That's all right.
Onions.
These are called turnips. Can you say turnips? You're right. They look a lot like onions. You're a smart boy. Oh, you saw a puppy? Oh, yeah, there's the puppy that keeps running around our neighborhood. Okay, so I'm pulling up these weeds right here. You can see right there is where my pile is that I'm pulling them up. I've got corn and green beans growing in here.
And yellow.
No, we're just going to get red and orange ones.
Okay.
Thank you.
What?
Good job, Joshi. Thanks. Did you wake up and you're in your pajamas? I like it. You see all of this blackberry hanging out. Well, it's black raspberry. It is actually thorny, so it's dangerous to walk through here. I got scratched up yesterday trying to get my hose, my garden hose. And so what we're gonna do is I'm gonna cut these off, and I'm actually gonna propagate them in water to get them to root so I can plant them on the other side of my garden as well. Also, maybe I could sell some plants or give some to friends so that they can have black raspberries too. Over here I see a bug. That looks like a baby firefly. All right, so I'm going to pull some more grass, but I got a lot over here. See, it's pretty good. Keep pulling grass. Look at this. I already have one plant that's hanging on to a corn. Now this corn is not quite as tall as the other one. I'm actually gonna get it to hang on over here. See if that will work out. You can see the spider, just please don't touch it. There we go. That's pretty cool. Pulling the grass over here. Oh, I've got more. Okay, this one's coming from here. Trying to hold on. We're gonna put it onto this one. See what I'm doing. Go. Pretty cool. Pulling all this grass out. But yeah, the plants are looking lovely. That's probably all the weeding I'm doing for today, but it's looking a lot better. My corn and my pole beans are doing an amazing job. Now I'm going to use this to prune off some of my black raspberry plant branches, and I'm going to propagate it in water. There's my first one. I'm going to get a lot. Now it's easier to walk through here, you'll notice. And I'm getting some plants. Okay, that's all I'm going to do for now. You'll notice it's easier to walk through here. And I've got some plants to root. All right, here's today's harvest. Thanks for watching. Bye. Are you girls having fun?
Yeah.